day I came here, I didn't ever feel that I have no family here. The quality of life is far superior and cost of living is also very low.
Founded in 1951, was formerly known as Baroda, located on the banks of river Vishwamitra, is the 18th largest city in India, but third largest in Gujarat, with a huge population of 2.1 million lovely peoples.
As a parent, the safety of their child is definitely more important to them than the education. In a survey of 56 cities conducted on October 2018, Vadodara emerged as the second most safest city in India after Chandigarh. According to locals residing there, the city is safe enough for even a woman to roam around alone freely at night.
Its semi-arid climate makes you feel the scorching heat of summer, with maximum average temperature of 45 degrees Celsius.
After all the visit of Vadodara, let us serve a plate of delicious items that one must taste out in Vadodara. The first one is Sev Ushul, a local snacks near Nehru Bhavan, Farsan at Taksha Classic, Kachori of Mangal Bazar, Lassi and Kulfi of Nathubai Circle, and after all the famous of Gujarat, Fafda Jalebi that one can find it throughout the city.
And is around 6.5 kilometers from the NRTI campus. By air, the city also has a domestic airport which is around 10 kilometers from the academy and connects the major parts of the country, which connect the air and rail terminal with our institute located in Nair campus.
Hello everyone and welcome to our beautiful campus. This video shows all the things that you want like libraries, sports, hostels, etc. So let's go and have a look.
NRTI basically is India's first and only transportation university which focused on transport related education, multidisciplinary research and training. It's a deemed university under the De Novo category and fully funded by the Government of India. It was established under a vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 5th September 2018. This institute is presently located inside the 55-acre campus of Nair, that is National Academy of Indian Railways in Lal Bagh, Vadodara.
National Academy of Indian Railways is the alma mater of all the officers of Indian Railways.
The biggest attraction of our college campus is the Pratap Vilas Palace, the architecture marvel built by the royal family of Sayajirao Gaikwad dynasty of Baroda. The Manthan is the new building built by NAIR for probation of NAIR officers on the basis of the old vintage the Pratap Vilas Palace.
After study a lot, now be tired and bored. So it's time to refreshment. NRTI has a large air-conditioned recreation room with TV, newspaper, magazines and comfortable chairs. It's really soothing.
This is the illuminative library of our campus where you can find various national and international books and journals associated with railways, including newspapers in about 8 to 10 languages.
Practical lab is an important opportunity for students to test experimentally the concept and methods introduced in tutorial. Our campus has a well-equipped model room displaying various types of trains, operating and signaling system in use on Indian Railways. Students get a feel of practical train operations by running hands-on environment.
Despite of academics or sports, if you want to refresh yourself, then you are certainly at a good place because the campus is fulfilled or enriched with the various type of flora and fauna, and this is just bulky unitive. There are different species of birds like blue-vented kingfisher, peacocks and many more. As the campus is in the lap of nature, then you are definitely going to enjoy a lot.
Here we have the most awaited section of our campus, that is the outdoor complex, sports complex. If you want to play basketball, there is a court of basketball. If you are a volleyball fan, there is a volleyball court. If you want to play tennis, there is a tennis court also. And there is a quite large cricket field too, for all the cricket fans out there who want to play cricket, want to enjoy the cricket.
Welcome to the other side of this facility. In the indoor sports facility, we have some really enjoyable sports including pool, basketball, tennis and badminton. We are not really that much of a sporty kind, so all of these are used to chill or relieve your stress after a really tight and tiresome schedule or a series of lectures. And after all, what is better than sitting down with your friends for a game of pool in the evening, right?
After sweating in the sports field, everyone wants to get fresh, and nothing can be better than that of a swimming pool. Coming on to the cultural part, we all are aware how diverse India is. And to celebrate that essence of our country, the students here organizes different events like Garba nights, Christmas parties, Holi, Lori, Ganesh Chaturthi and many more, in which all the students coming from different parts of the country enjoy and have fun irrespective of our culture, tradition, religion, language. Our campus also has an auditorium named as the Sardar Patel Auditorium, where various events, seminars, freshers parties are held.
To satiate your hunger after the tiredness of the day, here we have two mess, one is Annapurna and the other one is for officers. It's a real great place to catch up with friends as there is always stuff going on for you to get involved with.
Completed seeing everything? Now take a deep breath because you are about to see the most happening place in our campus. Hostel. From the experienced Maggie to all the water fights, everything happens here. There are actually 2 blocks, one for boys and one for girls. You can find all the basic facilities. AC, check. Wi-Fi, check. 2 guys per room, double check. And not to forget, there is also a block called Atiti House. So when the parents come to the university, they can rest there. So feel assured.